The Simpsons have predicted it all, from presidents to pandemics. But some of their wildest future visions are still just predictions. Today, we're exploring the craziest Simpsons forecasts yet to come true, and yes, they're still waiting in the future. In the season 23 episode Them Robot, aired March 18, 2012, Mr. Burns replaces all his plant workers with robots, sparking mass unemployment. While AI is everywhere today, a full robotic workforce takeover? Not quite yet. In the season 28 episode Friends and Family, 2016, Springfielders don VR headsets to escape reality. Today, VR and MR have made big strides, think Apple Vision Pro, but widespread daily usage still emerging. Dark but memorable. In Treehouse of Horror XX, aired October 18, 2009, food contamination turns people into zombies. While we haven't seen walking zombies, food safety remains a serious global issue. Emerging in various episodes, The Miseducation of Lisa Simpson, aired February 16, 2020, shows an algorithm dictating education and future jobs. Today, AI influences many decisions, but humans are still very much in control. In The Simpsons movie, 2007, the entire town is trapped under a giant glass dome. While it's fiction, scientists are genuinely experimenting with biodomes and sealed smart cities like Saudi Arabia's NEOM project. In Season 5's Deep Space Homer, aired February 24, 1994, Homer goes to space as an ordinary citizen. Decades later, companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are selling tickets, but everyday space tourism? Still waiting. In Season 27's The Margian Chronicles, aired March 13, 2016, Lisa signs up for a one-way trip to colonize Mars. With NASA and SpaceX planning real Mars missions for the 2030s, this prediction may be closer than we think. In Season 6's Lisa's Wedding, aired March 19, 1995, characters casually use wristwatches as phones. Smartwatches are real today, but the episode also hinted at devices predicting personal choices, something still unfolding with AI wearables. In Season 20's Treehouse of Horror 19, aired November 2, 2008, Homer tries to vote and the electronic machine changes his choice. While digital voting exists, full-scale adoption and the fears of tampering are still unresolved. In Season 23's Holidays of Future Past, aired December 11, 2011, people upload their consciousness to machines and digital clouds. While brain-computer interfaces are advancing, we're nowhere near living forever in a hard drive, yet. These predictions may seem preposterous, but that's the genius of The Simpsons. They show us trends before they happen. So while some predictions remain fiction, they may still be waiting just around the corner. Which of these do you think will happen first? Drop your prediction, and let's see if history keeps repeating itself.